In grammar, voice is the form of a verb that shows whether the subject is the doer or performer of the action or the recipient or sufferer of the action. If the subject is the doer, the verb is in the active voice. If something happens to the subject, the verb is in the passive voice. For example, active voice, the boy opened the door. Here in the sentence, the verb opened is active. Passive voice, the door was opened by the boy. Here the verb was opened is passive. 5 basic changes. There are mainly 5 basic rules while changing active voice to passive voice. 1. The object of active voice changes into subject of passive voice and is placed in the beginning of the sentence. The subject of active voice changes into object passive voice and is placed at the end of the sentence. 2. The third form of the verb is used in passive voice. 3. Helping verb is placed according to the tenses of the sentences. 4. The preposition by is placed before the new object. 5. The subject of active voice, if it happened to be a pronoun, will change into the following. You are cheating me. I am being cheated by you. I am watching a movie. Movie is being watched by me. I am not writing a letter. A letter is not being written by E. Are they reading books? Are books being read by them? Is he playing cricket? Is cricket being played by him? Why are you eating peanuts? Why are peanuts being eaten by you? Why are you taking football? Why is football being taken by you? Who is making a noise? By whom is a noise being made? Who is creating trouble? By whom is trouble being created? Thanks for watching.